It's got bendy legs. It has a clicker. I don't know how to work the clicker yet, but there's instructions. Don't worry about these things yet. But you need this. Are you coming in close enough? For Pete's sake.
I'm hangry, I tell you. Don't be picky.
Put this on top of here. It's as easy as it looks. And then, bloop, bloop. It bends up and it moves like this so that you can put your phone in it.
Wow.
Do you have one for me to borrow?
I don't think I want you touching it. Well, we'll sanitize it. It's okay.
Sanitize it. It's totally
okay.
fine.
It's okay.
Even the giant phone like this, put it in there. Boop.
Ooh.
And then you can use this, move it around, film what you need.
Oh, I love the tilt feature. That's so nice.
Isn't it lovely?
Yeah. I
And
like
if
it.
you need to tighten that up because your phone's so big and heavy, just a little tightener
Hey,
right
don't
here.
be a hater.
Wrap it around the
Then,
doorknob. Wrap it around the doorknob.
if you have,
like that.
oh mercy's sake, if you have a iPad or a tablet you need, bend it like this, grab your favorite iPad, push it up in there, boom!
Oh, wow.
Now it will be a holder for your iPad.
That's cool.
That's how you use it, guys. Good luck.
Doorknob.
Doorknob.
Oh, if
How
I
can you use
guess
the
Laura
doorknob?
wants us to know that if you put your giant phone in it, that you could put it on a doorknob.
Don't you love Hello Kitty? She's so cute.
Who doesn't?
I love Hello Kitty.
And you could do some filming from the door
A fence post.
or a fence post.
A saddle horn.
She's got a lot of ideas for not wanting to be in the movie. Okay? It's going to be great, gang. Thank you.
Bye-bye.